Morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. Wednesday, March 12th. Another snowstorm overnight in Chicago, but here we're all here. Markets are a bit higher. Notes and bonds are a bit higher. That is. Everything else pretty shaky. Stock markets lower, under a little pressure from general uncertainty. Reverberations from the Chinese export disappointment a couple days ago, and of course the Ukraine situation goes on. No one really knows how that's going to end up, and it's somewhat supportive to notes and bonds around the world. European sovereign debt all higher, yields lower. Our notes and bonds, we're kind of stuck in the mud. We've come back from a little bit of pressure that new highs in the S&P late last week put them under, but at the same time we're roughly contained, I would say. We're going to be, let's face it, we're going to be in this roughly 2.6 to 2.85, 2.9 in the 10-year notes for some time. There is an auction today at noon. Look for some action on that. The 10-year note, big auction, $21 billion is being reopened. And there ought to be decent bid at this point in time. Okay, what's coming up? Retail sales tomorrow. Obviously, again, another snowstorm here. I mean, it's going to be affected somewhat by the weather, like all reports have been the last few weeks. Business inventories also. Producer price index Friday. And consumer sentiment. We'll see what's going on with that. Housing market stuff comes early next week, Monday. Housing starts actually Tuesday. I'm sorry, Tuesday. We'll get a read on that important sector of the economy. Okay, Wednesday next week, March 19th. Federal Reserve Board meeting, the first one with Yellen chairing the meeting, and we'll get some information, forward guidance, whatever, some more background on where they're at with this tapering deal. So I don't expect the markets to move too far from where they are currently until we get some information from there. It'd be great to get some surprise to really get things going one way or another. We'll have to wait. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.